Hey guys, Josh here again from Marques Flooring. Today I wanted to share with you really quickly 3 key things that flooring companies don't want you to know about. Now I know that sounds silly because I'm telling you and we have a flooring company, but the reason I wanted to share these 3 things with you is we're seeing quite a big increase lately of low quality products out there and customers that aren't getting covered by any warranties and they're being left out in the lurch. So in some ways I'm shooting myself in the foot because we generate a lot of business out of repairing and fixing other people's mistakes. However, in this instance I prefer that people get it right the first time rather than having to repair it because it's very, very expensive. So the 3 key things that flooring companies don't want you to know about and are going to help you find the right product is, the first one is something that they call relative humidity. Now what I mean by relative humidity, without going into too much detail, is some companies, in order to maintain the warranty, loose warranty, is that you need to maintain the relative humidity in the room. So what that means is they'll expect you to somehow keep the amount of moisture that's in the air or humidity that's in the room between a certain level, and they make it to a level that's literally impossible, so that if something goes wrong with your floor, they walk in, test the moisture in the air and go, sorry, the conditions aren't right, you're out of warranty. The second key thing that people get caught out with all the time is leveling, and what I mean by that is the floor level has to be leveled to within a certain extent. Now it varies between different brands, so this would be another key element in selecting your product, would be to read through the warranty and check what it stipulates for leveling. In some cases, they make it ridiculous, and unless it was dead flat like a billiard table, you're not going to get your warranty. So again, another warning sign. The third thing would be the expansion. Now, all floors expand and contract. It's what they do. It happens all the time. It's fine. It's supposed to do that. However, you're supposed to leave a certain amount of expansion at different sections of the floor so that it allows it to move and expand and contract as it should. If you don't, again, you miss out on your warranty and you end up with a floor that fails. So again, just to recap, check the warranties, but check for the relative humidity. If they stipulate it, a good brand won't even stipulate it. 2, check what levels are required. And 3, check what expansions are required and how to install it correctly so the expansions are done right. And even if you're not the one installing it, make sure you give those instructions and warranty guidelines to the installer to make sure they do it right. In a perfect world, come down and see us and you'll get a product that you don't have to worry about that anyway, because all the products here, we very rarely ever have to make a warranty claim because they're all as good as they get and give you the peace of mind that you're going to have a good floor for a very, very long time.